Everybody, it's Anthony from XXRC Garage, back to you with a quick tip and trick thing that I'm attempting here and hoping I'm not going to hate myself for it. But I'm cutting the body posts off the landings. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to use earth magnets to hold the body on. So stand by and let's see what happens. So I'm taking this hobby saw and I'm cutting off these tabs. And what I'm going to do here is I got these earth magnets and I'm going to glue them on. But what I'm going to do is I want to make sure I got a mating pair, so I'm going to glue them like this on there, and then I'll put the other one on the body, glue it on the body, and then that way, boom, it'll stay. Okay, so I got these two cleaned off here pretty good. Use a little rubbing alcohol here, make sure it's all good and cleaned off. And I'm gonna try something else too. I'm gonna try a little tire glue here and see how that's gonna work. Something I just like about tire glue, it is kind of watery, so I'm afraid if it drips, it's going to drip downward. Okay, that's one. What I'm doing now, put this on here like this, and we're going to let it dry. Okay, I'm going to cut the back one off here. Now you've noticed these two magnets are different sizes because I got them from two different places. But so now once these cured, then I'm going to put glue here and set the body on it. Okay guys, I added some shoe goo on each magnet. So now what I'm going to do now, so all the magnets are glued down to the posts. So what I'm going to do now is not that hard, just you got to line up your body, set it in place, and that's pretty much it. And I'm going to look in the windows just to make sure everything's touching. And the other thing you want to do too is line up your side to side. Make sure she's perfect. And I think that's it.